Good day, everyone. We are excited to present our final performance innovative task for ARC 322 Planning 2 titled Freeway, a street renovation for safe and seamless urban movement in Carmen, Cagayan de Oro. Freeway stands for freedom of movement, safe, inclusive, and people-first streets. Our focus on Ipil Street in Vamenta Boulevard, vital corridors in Carmen that serves both daily commuters and the bustling night market. Currently, this area faces congestions, unsafe pedestrian zones, disorganized vending, and environmental stress. Through Freeway, we propose a design that improves traffic flow, walkability, sustainable mobility, and public spaces grounded in human space planning, connectivity, and resilience. Meet my members, Ronel Jane Lopez and Cedric Skake. To guide you through our presentation, here is the structure of our project. First is the project background, existing condition, analysis, summary of problems identified, development programs, urban design plan, and lastly, the project impact.
So, project background. This project is located in Ipil Street and Vamenta Boulevard in Carmen, Cagayan de Oro. This project aims to improve and have a vital pedestrian and vehicular corridor. The project proposes roadside and pedestrian infrastructure improvements across the Carmen Public Market and Ororama blocks, focusing on sidewalk expansion, paving, designated drop-off points, and vendor rezoning. The primary design intervention aims to promote safe, inclusive, and efficient urban movements, improve access to public spaces, and support local economic activities. So this is the slide 4 showing the existing condition during morning. Next. And this is the existing condition during night. So slides 4 and 5 highlighted the problematic existing conditions in the project area. Slide 4, using morning in Google Map photos, shows heavy congestions in Ipil Street due to parked vehicles, vendors, and narrow roads. Vamenta Boulevard also experienced rush hour bottlenecks and jaywalking. Slide 5 with night photos reveals issues like dim lighting, increased loitering, and informal vending. The accident risk due to poor visibility and lack of crosswalks at various intersections. So next is the existing conditions via Google Map. These slides provide a high-level Google Map overview of Ipil Street and Vamenta Boulevard that are areas serving as foundational map to provide context for detailed analysis. Next is the existing urban land use map of Cagayan de Oro City. This displays the existing urban land use map of Cagayan de Oro. It highlights that the project site is located within a district which is characterized by a high concentration of commercial activities and high land values. The map includes legend detailing various land use categories and open spaces. So the next is hazard assessment as part of existing condition. This slide provides a detailed overview of natural hazards in the Eagle Street and the Vermentov Boulevard area. Includes seismic, volcanic, hydrometeorological, and the nearest critical facilities. The area is safe from ground rupture and tsunami but prone to ground shaking and liquefaction. The nearest active volcano is Sibok-Hibok and severe winds are expected.
So next is our urban design plan. To bring freeway to life, our design transforms Vamenta Boulevard and April Street into safer, more walkable, and vehicle-friendly corridors. This pedestrian safety is our top priority. Continuous sidewalks and clearly marked crossing ensure safe and accessible movement. To ease traffic flow, designated drop-off zones for public transport will be placed near key areas, reducing congestion and improving access. Waiting sheds will be added at these stops for commuter comfort and organized transport use, especially during rush hours and night market activities. These interventions aim to create a smooth shared space that enhances mobility, safety, and the overall vibrancy of Carmen day and night. Um, as you can see here in our site development plan, here in the left side is the proposed design interventions and the location of it. Next is the April Street during nighttime. As a part of the freeway initiative, we also propose a conceptual rezoning strategy for the April Street Night Market and Carmen Cagayan de Oro. The plan introduces three primary zones to improve order, reduce congestion, and enhance the overall market experience. Food and beverage zone, general merchandise zone, and arts, craft, and souvenir zone. This zoning will organize vendors according to the product type, making it easier for customers to navigate the space while reducing overcrowding in key areas. To support this layout, we recommend the installation of clear signage, proper zoning markers, and an efficient circulation flow. This will help both customers and vendors move comfortability through the market. As an essential part of the plan is garbage management. We propose placing adequate waste bins and informing a clean as you go policy to maintain sanitations and visual order through the market. For implementation, the strategy includes a vendor application process, coordination with local authorities, and a pilot testing phase to fine-tune the approach before full rollout. Through this zoning, the April Street Night Market can evolve into a safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable public space for the entire community. And lastly, for our project impact, the proposed upgrades to April Street and Vamenta Boulevard aim to improve traffic flow, pedestrian safety, and urban livability in Carmen day and night. Key features include a jeepney bay, timed loan zones, and a continuous bike lane for smoother, greener transport. To enhance the marketplace, we propose organized micro vending zones and a zoned night market layout to keep walkways clear and safe. Wider sidewalks, shaded paths, tactile paving, and markers boost accessibility. Traffic disciplines will be strengthened with bollards, planters, and stricter rules to curb illegal parking. Environmental upgrades include engine off zones, green buffers, vertical gardens, and improved sanitation with modular bins and clean as you go practices. This project turns key streets into vibrant, efficient, and people-centered corridors, a scalable model for sustainable urban design. And that's it for our presentation. I hope you guys like it. And goodbye.